Hey guys, today we're going to talk about ULTEM 1010, which is an extremely strong, advanced high-temperature thermoplastic. ULTEM is generally a transparent amber thermoplastic, and it's very similar to PEEK, but it's about a third the price. It's extremely durable and dimensionally stable in many situations. It's popularly chosen in making medical and chemical tools because of its extremely broad chemical resistance, high heat resistance, and extremely high tensile strength. Pre-existing certifications make it an excellent choice for the commercial transportation industry, especially aerospace, medical, marine, and ground vehicles. The process we use to print ULTEM 1010 is obviously completely powder-free, making it much cleaner than some of the alternative options. It's got some of the highest heat deflection of any FDM-capable 3D printing material. It's NSF 51 certified for food contact, so you can use it in dies and spouts and all kinds of different things involved with food preparation. It's actually the only FDM material with that certification. I mean, this is actually part of a crossbow, but we're not going to use it, so I'm just going to use it to serve my coffee. Oh yeah, much better. It's ISO 10993 USP Class 6 certified for medical implantation. So essentially, you can make a human bone implant with this material. It's got excellent FST ratings, that's flame, smoke, and toxicity ratings, and has very little off-gassing or smoke when it's exposed to flame. You can make custom tools for metal, plastic, or composite parts fabrication. Medical tools like surgical guides that can withstand steam autoclaving. It's used for heat-resistant dies, patterns, and fixtures for food production. It's also used to make many aerospace components. You can make automotive parts, including housings, ducts, and semi-structural components, and it's an excellent choice for the commercial transportation industry. It's great for electrical parts, components, and plugs, etc. If you guys would like to learn more about ULTEM 1010, ULTEM 9085, PEEK, or other high-temperature 3D printing thermoplastics, feel free to check out visionminer.com or check out more of our videos. We're here to help you pick the right material and the right printer equipment for your application. So feel free to give us a call, check out the website, and we'll see you in the next video.